Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sky Scandalous, and today is May 2nd, which means it's my birthday. One of my birthday gifts was a ring light. I have this beautiful orange light going on right now. It's giving me like golden hour even though it's 8 in the morning. Today I'm only doing things that serve me. I'm only doing things that make me feel good, make me happy, make my spirit feel rich and spiritual. I got 3 finals next week. I don't know, we'll see. I might study, but studying doesn't make my soul feel good. You know what makes my soul feel good? Doing my makeup. I went ahead and switched out the color of my ring light from orange to white. So I'm starting with my Glam Glow moisturizer. I got it from Sephora. I actually got it as a birthday gift last year. And I am currently out of face moisturizer. So I've been using this one. Is the food ready? All right, here I come. Okay, we're gonna put a pause on this. We're gonna go eat because that's more important. Breakfast. And you guys, I got some fresh squeezed orange juice. I actually squeezed it myself. So it's fresh squeezed orange juice made by PT Bay for PT Bay. This is today's look. I think I like the ponytail with the little bang. On the way to go and get my birthday bottle from the liquor store. I don't really drink because I hate the taste of alcohol. However, it's my birthday and I want to get lit. From now on, every time I say it's my birthday, I gotta take a shot. I'm back with my personal bottle of Douce. Megan Thee Stallion got a song where she be like, drinking Douce out the bottle. That's what we gonna do today. Except, I hate the taste of liquor, so I might have to drink it out of a cup with some Coke. Is that okay, Megan? I hope that's okay. I'm still a hot girl, I promise.
Real hot girl shit. Introduced me to his mama. Thought he had me till I came out with the condom. Drinking Douce out the motherfucking bottle. I'm a rapper, not no motherfucking model.
That right there was enough hot girl shit for me. So I am currently setting up for my birthday photo shoot. I am wearing my Savage X Fenty one piece. If you guys want to see these pictures, you should totally follow me on Instagram because I'm going to post them tonight. Yeah, duh, it's my birthday. I gotta take a shot. Ooh, gotta take a shot because I said the word, the trigger word. My goal for the picture is just to have like this. So go follow me on Instagram at Sky_Scandalous if you want to see these tote cute pics. What up? So super last minute out of nowhere plans. My friend Jessica hit me up out of nowhere and invited me out to a boat. So I'm here at Naughty Days Boat Rentals. It's my birthday. I'm gonna take a shot for that when I get on the boat. Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Fuck it up! That's how we on. If I want to start growing, I should take one on the scene. I had to white. There's a lot of pie over here. Somebody would have a fix. We gotta put this away. Cheers. Happy birthday today, and I just want you to know that you're looking a bit too loud in the house. Welcome to the vlog. It's Tori's birthday. We going back to Starbucks. Trapping in the cash register. We always have bacon. How much was your order? Oh, I got you. 865 bet. Slab when I went straight to 40. Said it like I said it in the old school. Some niggas that get mad, pussy mouth. Hey, tell her to come on. How was it? It wasn't that bad. I ate that shit. So about last night, this is all the Douce I have left. Woke up without a hangover. Shout out to Texas State University, you taught me well. It is Sunday, May 3rd, the day after my birthday, but we're still celebrating. Honestly, y'all, since my birthday's so early in the month, May 2nd, I interpret it as like the whole month is yours, baby girl. If you liked my birthday vlog, you should check out some more of my videos. I do more than just take shots and twerk on boats, so check out my PT school vlogs and my Savage X Fenty review. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay positive.